Time travel has always captured our imagination. We have always wondered what would happen if we could go back or forth in time. I can't say for sure when science will help us to achieve this, but it is definitely possible with the help of language. In today's lesson, we are going to learn past continuous tense, which takes you right in the middle of the action as it was happening in past. Hey everyone, my name is Vikas and I am a TESOL certified English language trainer from India. In today's video, we are going to talk about the helping verb that we will use in past continuous tense, the usage of the main verb in past continuous tense. Then we will move on to the usage of linking verb in past continuous tense, and we will finish this lesson by talking about the practical uses of past continuous tense. So let's begin. Let's talk about the helping verb that we will use in past continuous tense. This tense uses two helping verbs, was and were. Since we have two helping verbs in this tense, you need to be careful about the subject-verb agreement. If you are using a singular subject, then you will use was as your helping verb, and if you are using a plural subject, you will use were as your helping verb. Let's look into this with the help of an example. Rohan was reading a book. In this sentence, we have used a singular subject Rohan, so it is followed by the helping verb was. If we change the subject of the sentence into a plural subject, for example, Rohan and Shyam were reading a book. As you can see that we have a plural subject in the second sentence, we have used were as a helping verb. Now let's look into the form of the main verb in past continuous tense. You will be using the present participle or the fourth form of the verb. Let's explore this with the help of an example. Sita was playing sitar. In this sentence, we have used the present participle of the verb to play. The present participle form will be used in all the sentences that you will make using past continuous tense. Now, let's look into the usage of linking verb in past continuous tense. I was feeling happy. In this sentence, we have used was and feeling as a linking verb. One easy way to identify a linking verb in a sentence is that if you can replace the verb with an equal to sign and the sentence still makes some sense, then you can know it's a linking verb. For example, if I replace was feeling in this sentence with an equal to sign, I equal to happy, then this still makes some sense to us. This is an easy tip to identify a linking verb in a sentence. Now, let's look into the practical uses of past continuous tense. We use this tense when we talk about an action that was happening in the past and we are referring to the exact moment when that action was going on. For example, if somebody asks us a question, "What were you doing yesterday?" then we can give them answer using past continuous tense and tell them about any activity that we were doing yesterday. For example, I was playing cricket, or you may say, I was preparing for my exam. Now, even if someone asks us the same question using time, for example, what were you doing yesterday at 8 p.m.? Then also we can give them a response using past continuous tense. I was eating dinner at 8 p.m. The second usage of past continuous tense is we talk about an ongoing action when the other action happened or finished. For example, as James was walking down the road, he saw Andrea. In this sentence, we have used past continuous tense in combination with past simple tense. If you want to know more about past simple tense, then do check out my previous video. Thank you for watching the entire video. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. This video is part of an ongoing series wherein I am making and posting videos on all the tenses of English language. I have already posted 3 videos on the simple aspect of past, present and future tense. Do check them out. I will put the links down in the description box. The next video in this series will be on present continuous tense. Keep learning, keep sharing, keep watching, and in the meanwhile, don't forget to learn, grow and excel. Bye!